This is a 5-minute beginner guitar practice routine you can use to improve your finger coordination. We're going to do a quick stretch and then 3 exercises. Use a plectrum all your fingers like me. Quick note, if this is your first time, try your best to keep up, but keep showing up daily and you'll get used to the exercises and see yourself improving. So let's begin our 5-minute beginner practice routine, starting with our quick stretch. We're going to rotate our hands 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Open and close our hands 5 times. Then shake it off and stretch it out. We're ready for exercise 1. Exercise 1 is the spider walk ascending only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to move up chromatically, up the strings, all 4 fingers. Try to keep your fingers as close to the frets as possible whilst doing this. To help you improve control. And once we get to the top, move up a fret and carry on back down the strings. We're going to keep going up to the 6th fret with this one. Great job, that's exercise 1 complete. Now moving on to exercise 2 is the basic spider walk from the 7th to the 12th fret. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's very similar to the last exercise, except when we get to the top string, we're going to come back down, starting with our pinky. So here it comes, now move up a fret and back down with the pinky. You got it. We do this up to the 12th fret. You're doing great. That's exercise 2 complete. Great job, guys. You're doing amazing. If you could give this video a like, that would be greatly appreciated. Now on to exercise 3. Spider climbs from the 1st to the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we're going to move sideways up the strings. Once we get to the 3rd fret, we're going to come back down the same string, start with our pinky. And once we get to the bottom, we move up a string and do the same thing again. So up a fret, up to the 3rd fret, and then come back down. Do this all the way up to the top E string. Good job. Amazing work. That's our 5-minute guitar warm-up complete.